The Technical Toolboxes RSTRENG Plus software provides an extensive solution combining the PRCI-backed RSTRENG software with multiple advanced features and calculations that facilitate better integrity repair decisions, reducing risk and improving the quality of engineering operations. RSTRENG Plus is built on top of the RSTRENG engine, which is the only Level 2 methodology sanctioned by the Code of Federal Regulations to calculate remaining strength along extended lengths of pipe. The automatic workflows of RString Plus drastically reduce the manual work while concurrently increasing the speed, accuracy, and confidence with which an engineer can complete integrity analysis projects. RString Plus comes equipped with advanced features such as batch run and the zero out method, along with non-PRCI calculations to accommodate multiple scenarios and the traceable, verifiable, complete, or TVC record keeping to comply with the MEG rule under the Pipeline and Hazardous Materials Safety Administration, or PHMSA. I will now run through some features of RString Plus. The zero out method gives engineers the ability to pinpoint effective areas of corrosion along a pipeline that need repair within miles of inspection data to operate at the desired maximum allowable operating pressure, MAOP. The non-PRCI calculations module offers a reassessment interval calculation to reduce risk and cost through optimizing the number of times a pipe is assessed while balancing integrity needs in resource-constrained environments. It also includes remaining strength calculations, Shell 92, DNV, API 579, that provide flexibility to accommodate different scenarios along with facilitating knowledge transfer. Batchron is an advanced pipeline hub platform feature allowing users to simulate multiple case runs in a single execution. Users can execute cases against predefined model validation limits and be provided with an execution summary. Execution summaries that are created through this feature can aid with the record keeping for future TVC compliance. RString Plus comes equipped with integration into the Pipeline Hub and access to new features and enhancements as they are made available.